Hey everybody, my name is Evan Jolly. I am a contributor here at Arise. I help out with some research and content stuff. And today we're going to be talking about a super important aspect of building and maintaining LLM applications, which is instrumentation. So let's get right into it. What is instrumentation? Well, it's pretty straightforward. It's the process of monitoring and collecting data within an LLM application. This process can help us do a number of things, but namely monitor performance and find areas where we can improve. There are several different ways to instrument your LLM applications, and today we will explore some of those. So tracing helps monitor the flow of requests through your system, to identify issues and optimize performance. You can find things like highlighting slow LLM invocations, show a breakdown of token usage, and essentially get a peek into how data is moving through your application. OpenTelemetry, or Otel, is a standardized way to collect and format telemetry data. It integrates with various LLM frameworks and provides detailed insights into the performance and behavior of models. It is completely vendor neutral and offers a consistent way to collect and analyze telemetry data across different components of your application. So OpenInference is an extension of Otel, the main contributor of which is Arise, although it is open source. And this is specifically designed for LLM applications. It provides detailed tracing capabilities and works with every Otel compatible collector or backend. Completely vendor neutral. And within actual instrumentation, there are two types, one automatic and two manual. So automatic instrumentation is a little self-explanatory in the name, but it essentially captures the traces without requiring explicit coding through use of large language models. This offers comprehensive coverage, but less control over the nitty gritty. If all of your traces are automatically generated, of course you have less granularity of control. Manual instrumentation is a little bit backwards from that. It involves explicitly adding traces to your code. This provides really detailed control, obviously, because you're deciding when and where traces are existing, but obviously perhaps less comprehensive coverage because they're not automatically being generated. There are three primary methods for manual instrumentation, using decorators, using a with statement, or starting spans directly with code.